Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to grade 12 business mathematics class. Now we are learning integral calculus 1. Am I right? Yes, that's our second chapter. So already two types we have completed. So I hope you all completed the homeworks. So I hope you all studied the formulas thoroughly. Yes. So please students study all the formulas thoroughly. Okay. So let's start our today's class. Already in exercise 2.3, first three problems we have completed. So remaining I said today we will complete. So let's start from exercise 2.3, problem number 4. Okay. The question is integrate e power 3x minus e power minus 3x divided by e power x. Okay. So this is a question. So integrate e power 3x minus e power minus 3x e power x. Okay. So how we will integrate? Okay. Solution. I am writing the question. Integrate e power 3x minus e power minus 3x divided by e power x is equal to, we are going to divide each term by e power x. Okay, dx is equal to integral of e power 3x divided by e power x minus e power minus 3x divided by e power x dx. Okay, that's equal to integration of e power 3x. Shall we bring the denominator term to the numerator? That is minus, is it right? So both also same. So already you have learned one formula. A power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Listen here students, whatever the things you have learned in the 11th standard, it will be very helpful for you now. Okay. So formulas, everything you go through once. Okay. So this formula you have learned there. That is this one in 9th standard itself you learn. A power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. So here the base is same. So we can bring this to up. So what will happen? Minus x minus e power minus 3x minus x. Okay. Dx. So that's equal to what will happen? E power 2x minus e power minus 4x dx. Okay. So shall we integrate? So already I taught you the formula. Integral of e power ax dx is equal to, what's the formula? 1 by a into e power ax plus c. Correct? So what is the integration here? Shall we split it to e power 2x minus integration of e power minus 4x is dx. This also dx. So that's equal to, what is the a value here? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into e power 2x minus 1 by minus 4 into e power minus 4x plus c. Okay. That's equal to e power 2x by 2 minus into minus, it will change as plus. So e power minus 4x by 4 plus c. This is a required answer. Have you got it? Okay, very easy. So we are using this formula here. Okay, let's move to the next question, fifth problem. Next question, question number 5. Integrate e power 3x plus e power 5x divided by e power x plus e power minus x. Okay. Solution. What's the question? Integration of e power 3x plus e power 5x divided by e power x plus e power minus x dx. Okay. So how will you do? Same as previous question. First you can divide by each and every term. That is e power 3x is there. Yes. Shall we take a common outside? E power 3x you can take outside. So what's the balance in the numerator? 1 plus, if I am taking e power 3x from here, what's the balance? E power 2x is the balance. Divided by e power x plus, shall I write e power minus x as e power 1 by e power x dx. Have you got it? So what I did in this step, in the numerator I have taken e power 3x outside. In the denominator what I did? E power minus x I wrote as 1 by e power x. Okay. So that's equal to integration of e power 3x 1 plus e power 2x divided by, shall we take the LCM for the denominator, e power x is the LCM. So if this 2 means e power x into e power x, e power 2x plus 1. Okay, so dx. Okay, that's equal to integration of e power 3x into 1 plus e power 2x. So when you are bringing this term to the numerator, what will happen? This also into e power x divided by 1 plus e power 2x. Correct, ma? So this term and this term will get cancelled, dx. So what is e power 3x into e power x? Base same means we will add the powers. Is it right? So e power 3x plus x dx. So what's the balance? Integration of e power 4x. What's the formula for integration of e power ax is equal to 1 by a into e power ax plus c. So shall we apply this formula here? So that's equal to e power 4x by a means 4 plus c. This is the required answer. Have you got it? Okay, it's very easy, is it right? So let's move to the next question. Listen here. Next, 6th question. Integrate 1 minus 1 by x square e power x plus 1 by x. Okay, solution. So this one, it's very easy. Within one line we can write the answer, but you need to think something. Okay, so you keep it in mind, that is e power x plus 1 by x. Okay, if you are differentiating this one, you will get this value. Okay, so when you are writing, you can write like this, that is differentiation of x plus 1 by x. This is differentiation of x plus 1 by x is 1 minus 1 by x square. If you need, you can check it. Okay, so the differentiation of x is 1, is it right? Minus 1 by x for differentiation is x square. So the differentiation of x plus 1 by x is 1 minus 1 by x square. Okay, so we can write like this. We can bring this to here, that is e power x plus 1 by x. I am rewriting this as x into 1 minus 1 by x square dx. Okay, so that's equal to, we can write like this, that you keep it in mind, that is integration of e power x plus 1 by x into this one we can write as differentiation of x plus 1 by x. Got it, ma? So you keep it in mind, the differentiation of x plus 1 by x is 1 minus 1 by x square. Okay, so you need to see whether is there any constant between any connection between these two. So when you are seeing this, you come to know x plus 1 by x, this one differentiation is 1 minus 1 by x square. So we can write like this. Okay, so from this you can write the answer directly, that is e power x plus 1 by x plus c. Okay, what's the reason? The differentiation of e, that is integration of e power x is e power x plus c. So that's answer. That's done. Have you got it? That's all. That's all. 7th question. Integrate integral of 1 by x into log x the whole square. Okay, so this also same as the previous question. Okay, so we can check it here. Okay, so now I am taking y as log x. Okay, I am taking y as log x. So dy by dxy, what will you get? 1 by x. Last year we have learned, is it right? So if you are integrating 1 by x square, what will happen? Minus 1 by x plus c you will get. If you need, you can check it. What will you do? We will bring this power to the numerator. So x power minus 2 you will get. X power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. If you need step by step, you can do and see. If you are bringing this to the numerator, x power minus 2 you will get. So x power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 you will get. That's equal to x power minus 1 divided by minus 1. When you are writing, you will write minus 1 by x. So this one is the integration, is it right? So you know, if you are integrating 1 by x square, what's the answer? Minus 1 by x plus c. Okay, so first we are going to rearrange this as 1 by log x the whole square into 1 by x. I split it. Okay, that's equal to integration of 1 by log x the whole square into, this is a differentiation of log x. Am I right? Am I right or wrong? What's the differentiation of log x? That is 1 by x. So we can write this as d of log x. That's a differentiation of log x. So from that, what will you write? That is minus 1 by, in the place of x, what's there here? Log x. So what will you write? Minus 1 by log x plus c. That's the answer. Understand? So somewhat one small trick is there. That's all. Okay. So you want to be very careful. That is check it, is there any connection. That is 1 by x means it's a differentiation of log x. But in that place log x the whole square is there. So x square, what's the differentiation? Minus 1 by x. So in that x place what's there? Log. So in the place minus 1 by log x plus t. Okay, got it? Okay, only one problem is left. We will complete. So problem number 8. If f dash of x is equal to e power x and f of 0 equal to 2, then find f of x. Solution. Okay, if f of x is, f dash of x is equal to e power x, each and every exercise there is one problem, is it right? So again and again I am not going to say the same. So I said f of x, if you are differentiating you will get f dash of x. If they gave f dash of x, if you need f of x, what will you do? We will integrate. So here we are going to integrate. That is f of x is equal to integration of f dash of x dx. That's equal to integration of, what is f dash of x? E power x dx. So what is the integral of e power x dx? E power x plus c. So we are going to substitute this one here. So what will happen? E power x plus c. This is the value for f of x. Okay. So here f of 0 the value is given as 2. Yes. So given f of 0 is equal to 2. So for x what will you put x is equal to 0. Substitute in equation number 1. 1 implies x for 0. So f of 0 equal to e power 0 plus c. So f of 0, what's the value? 2. Yes. What's the value for e power 0? Any number power 0 is 1. Correct? So 1 plus c. Bring this to here. 2 minus 1 is equal to c. So c equal to 1. Now substitute in equation 1. F of x is equal to e power x plus 1. That's the answer. Got it? Okay. Very easy. This one already you know. Is it right? So f of x, if we are integrating, if we are differentiating, we will get f dash of x. The reverse process of differentiation is called the integration. So f of x, if you are differentiating, you will get f dash of x. From the f dash of x, if you are integrating, you will get f of x. So f of x is equal to integral of f dash of x dx is equal to e power x dx. Is it right? So f of x is equal to e power x plus c. What is given? F of 0 is equal to how much they gave? 2. So if we substitute, put x is equal to 0. From that you will obtain the c value with substitute in equation 1. F of x equal to e power x plus 1. Have you got it? Okay. Okay students, listen here. Type 1, type 2, type 3. Over. Okay. Up to exercise 2.3 we have completed. Now we are going to move for type 4. Okay. In the type 4, listen here. When you are seeing the type 4 formula, you will really laugh, right? Why means you are all not interested in trigonometry. Is it right? Okay. But it's a very interesting chapter, trigonometry. So last year you have learned many formulas. So we are going to use all the formulas here. That's it. So because of that I said last year you learned trigonometry. So take down your 11th standard book and go through all the formulas and write it separately in your notes anywhere. Okay, last page of your note anywhere you take down all the formula, that is cos 2x, sin 2x, tan 2x, what's the formula for sin square plus x plus cos square theta, what's the formula for sin square theta minus cos square theta. Many formulas we have learned. So please take down your 11th standard book and copy all the formulas separately in anywhere of your notes. Okay, understand what I said? Okay, now for integration we are going to, last year you learned trigonometry, is it right? Formulas, everything you will have. So now here in type 4 we are going to integrate, that's all. So integration of sin x, integration of sin x cos x, integration of secant square x, integration of cos square x. We are going to learn lot of formulas, understand? So let's move to the formulas, that is type 4. Okay, first we will learn the formulas, that is type 4. Okay, formula number 1, integration of sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c. Formula number 2, integration of sin of ax plus b dx is equal to minus 1 by a cos ax plus b plus c. Third formula is integration of cos x dx is equal to sin x plus c. Formula number 4, integration of cos of ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a sin of ax plus b plus c. Formula number 5, integration of secant square x dx is equal to tan x plus c. Formula number 6, integration of secant square ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a tan of ax plus b plus c. Formula number 7, integration of cosecant square x dx is equal to minus cot x plus c. Formula number 8, integration of cosecant square ax plus b dx is equal to minus 1 by a cot ax plus b plus c. Okay students, when you are seeing the formula, you get, okay, don't afraid, okay, it will be very easy for you, okay, make it as easy. Okay, see the first formula, integral of sin x dx. What is the formula for sin x dx? Already you know the formula for sin x, that is sin x, how will you convert? Minus cos x, is it right? So integral of sin means minus, cos means sin, that's the difference. So sin to cos means sin minus cos, okay, cos means sin, that's the connection. So sin of ax plus b means same as our last type, we will divide, is it right? So here it is minus, so same as that, minus 1 by a cos ax plus b plus c. Now you have learned two formulas, yes. So cos x dx means how will you write? Sin x plus c. So same as cos of ax plus b into dx means same as that positive sign. Understand? Now you learn four formulas? Yes, very easy. Then come to find secant square. Secant means tan. Okay. Same as cosecant square means minus cot. This you keep it in mind. So remaining everything same. So please students, write down the formulas and understand it and learn it soon. Okay. I hope you learned. Okay. So let's move to the problems. In the problems, I will ask all the formulas from the last year book. Okay. So before we are going to learn these questions, you need to learn all the formulas from your 11th standard book. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for you. Okay. So now I will ask the formulas. What is cos 2x? What is sin 2x? That time and that from the 11th book you need to learn. Okay. So before when you are going to start this type 4, please children take down all the formulas from your 11th standard book. Okay. Because all the formulas are there. Okay. So only we are going to apply here. I am not going to give all the formulas here. Understand? So now example 2.20. Integrate integral of, evaluate, okay. Evaluate integral of 2 sin x minus 5 cos x dx. Solution. Integral of 2 sin x minus 5 cos x dx is equal to, shall we split it as 2? That is 2 into integral of sin x dx minus 5 into integral of cos x dx. So what I did? I took the constant outside and I split as 2. Okay. That's equal to 2 into, what's the integration of sin x? What's the integration of sin x? Now I taught you. That is minus cos. Is it right? That is into minus cos x. Minus 5 into, what's the integration of cos x? Sin x. Plus c. Multiply minus 2 cos x minus 5 sin x plus c. That's all. Understand? So it's very simple. So sin for the integration is minus cos. Cos for the integration is sin. Okay, got it? Okay. Next question. Example 2.21. Evaluate integration of sin square x dx. Solution. Okay, listen here students. Evaluate sin square x dx. Is it right? So before when you are going to do this question, we need to learn something. That is cos 2x. You have learned the formula last year. What's the formula? 2 cos square x minus 1. I will remember. Take down the formula and learn. Okay. So if I am bringing that minus 1 this side, what will happen? Cos 2x. Minus side this side means plus 1 is equal to 2 cos square x. Okay. So if we need cos square x formula, cos 2x formula means what will you do? We will bring this to here. Is it right? So if we need cos square x formula, what will you do? Cos 2x plus 1 divided by 2. Correct? This is a formula for cos square x. Correct? Same as that, if you need sin square x formula, what will you do? Sin 2x, have you learned any formula last year? Last year? No. But you learned the formula for another one cos 2x formula, 1 minus 2 sin square x. Have you remembered this is another formula we have learned last year? So this is a formula connecting sin square. So because of that I chose this formula. You will have a doubt. Why you are taking this formula you can apply, no. So if I am applying this formula, I got the value for cos square x. I need the value for sin square x. So because of that I have chose this formula. Okay. So from here I am going to find the sin square x value. So cos 2x, I need plus 2 sin square x value, is it right? So I am going to bring this side, this on here. 2 sin square x is equal to 1, bring this to this side, minus cos 2x. So sin square x, what's the formula? 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. Have you got it? Understand? Now this is a formula we can use here. So last year you have learned all the formulas. So this is a formula. If it is cos square x, you can apply this formula. Yes. So here it is, they asked us sin square x. So because of that I am using this formula and I find out the sin square x. Now you come to the question. Integration of sin square x. Okay. That's equal to integration of what's the formula? 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 dx. Now split it. 1 by 2 is the constant, so you cannot take outside. So what's the balance? 1 minus cos 2x dx. Now split it. 1 by 2 into integral of 1 dx minus integral of cos 2x dx. That's equal to 1 by 2 into, what's the 1 dx? X minus, what is cos 2x? Cos x, what's the formula? Integral of cos x. Cos x dx. Sin x plus c. Correct? Now here it is cos 2x. So what will you do? We will divide by the coefficient of x also. Okay, same procedure. So minus sin 2x divided by what's the coefficient? By 2 plus c. That's the answer. Have you got it? So you want to be very careful. Learn the formulas first. Okay. So these are the formulas you have learned in the 11th standard. So cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 2 cos square x. So from that if you are finding, you will get the cos square x value. You won't get the sin square x value. Okay. So I chosen another formula. From that I found out the value for sin square x. Okay. Now sin square x I got it. Yes. So sin square x is there. So sin square x I applied the formula 1 minus cos 2x by 2 dx. Okay. That's equal to 1 by 2 into 1 minus cos 2x dx. Now I split it into 2 integral. So here if it is cos x, directly you will write sin x. That's all. But here the coefficient of x is 2. So because of that you need to divide by the coefficient also. Understand? Okay, got it? Let's move to the next example. 2.22. Evaluate cos 2x divided by sin square x cos square x dx. Okay. Now again we are going to move for the formula. Okay. So in our last 11th standard you have learned 4 formulas for cos 2x. I am writing all the formulas for you. Cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x, one formula you have learned. Then another one formula 2 cos square x minus 1 you have learned one formula. That is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x you learned one formula. Another one 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x, one formula you have learned. Every formula is for cos 2x. Okay. This is all the formulas for cos 2x. Have you remember? So this is all the formulas for cos 2x. But we need what's the formula we need? So we need to choose, is it right? So you see the denominator, sin square and cos square is there, is it right? But when you are choosing the formula, we need to choose by the terms of cos and sin. So what's the formula here we can use? Say, shall we use first formula? Second formula means only cos term you will get. Third formula means sin square alone you will get. Fourth formula it's not used here. Okay. So what's the formula we'll use here? We'll use the first formula. Use this formula. Okay. You will get confusion, because of that I gave all the 4 formulas. Okay. So now you can use the first formula. Solution, integration of cos 2x divided by sin square x cos square x dx. is equal to, use the first formula, cos square x minus sin square x divided by sin square x cos square x dx. Okay. Now I am writing the same step again. Okay. Writing the same step again. That's equal to integral of cos square x minus sin square x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. Now you can split it. Okay. Now split it. What will happen? Integration of cos square x divided by sin square x cos square x minus sin square x divided by sin square x cos square x dx. What are the terms? Cos square, sin square, sin square. What's the balance? 1 by sin square x minus 1 by cos square x dx. Okay. That's equal to, what is 1 by sin square theta? In 10th standard you have learned 1 by sin square theta equal to cosecant square theta. What is 1 by cos square theta? Cos square theta is secant square theta. Have you remember? So we are going to use this. That is cosecant square x minus secant square x dx. Now split it. So integration of cosecant square x dx minus integration of secant square x dx. What's it? Integration of cosecant square x dx in type 4. I gave the formulas for you. What's the formula we'll use for cosecant square x dx? What's the formula we'll use? Cosecant square x. What's the formula we'll use? Say, what's the formula we'll use? Minus cot x. So minus cot x minus tan x plus c. Understand? So the integration of cosecant square x is minus cot x. The integration of secant square x is minus tan x. Okay. Now I applied the formulas. Understand? Have you got it? So one more question we can do. Example 2.23. Evaluate integration of square root of 1 plus sin 2x dx. Now, so integration of sin 2x plus 1 plus sin 2x, is it right? So here we are going to use another one formula. Okay. So you know the rule, sin square x plus cos square x, what is the value? Equal to 1. So in the place of 1, shall I write the sin square x plus cos square x? Okay, we can write integration of solution, integration of square root of sin square x plus cos square x plus sin 2x dx. Okay. So sin 2x you have learned one formula by connecting cos and sin, that is 2 sin x cos x. So shall we substitute here? Square root of, these are the formulas we are using. So each and every line it will be very difficult. That's formulas very important. That is sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x dx. Now see here, it will be very easy for you. A plus b the whole square form, is it right? So a square plus b square plus 2ab, correct? Now shall we write like this? That is square root of sin x plus cos x the whole square dx. So the square root and this square will get cancelled. So what is the balance? Integration of sin x plus cos x dx. What is the integration of sin? If you need, you can split it. That is sin x dx plus integration of cos x dx. What is the integration of sin x? Minus cos x. What is the integration of cos x? Plus sin x dx. Have you got it? Very easy. Okay. So you want to be very careful. Sin square x plus cos square x, in the place it's 1. So you can substitute as sin square x plus cos square x. Sin 2x I applied this value. Afterwards a plus b the whole square form. So square root and square will get cancelled. So sin x plus cos x is the balance. So sin x separately you integrate. Cos x separately you integrate. You will get the answer. Okay. Now one more example is there. That one we will see in the next class. Now it's the time to give the homeworks for you. Okay. So all of you take down your books. Take down your books. Exercise 2.4. Okay. Problem number 2 is a homework for you. Then problem number 5 is a homework for you. So problem number 2, sin cube x, is it right? In our class work I gave cos I gave I gave sine square x, is it right? So sine cube x, the formulas you can, if you are seeing in the 11th standard book, you can find out. Okay, better you can try that. So fifth problem is a homework for you, that is root of 1 minus sine 2x. In example 2.23 what we have completed, square root of 1 plus sine 2x. Here 1 minus sine 2x, that's the only difference. Understand? So what's the only difference? A minus b the whole square formula you will get. Okay, so this fifth problem is a homework for you. Okay, so remaining we will do in the next class. We will complete it in the next class. I hope you got some idea in this section. Please students, all of you take down your 11th standard books and learn all the formulas before we are touching this problems. Then only it will be easy for you. Otherwise you will feel overburdened. So because of that, please read out all the formulas and learn it thoroughly. Okay, then only it will be useful for you. Okay students, complete your classworks as well as do your homeworks properly. Be safe. We'll meet in the next class students. Thank you.